Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on minus 4's formula. What is the formula of minus 4? It is minus 5 plus 1. Where are we going to apply this formula? Where we are going to get stuck in doing minus 4. Okay, let's see. First question. We are going to do the B row first, and when we are done with the B row, we will do the A row in homework. Okay, A row will be your homework, B row we will do in classwork. Okay, now. First question, 5, done 5. Then minus 4. Do I have enough beats to do minus 4, guys? No. So what will I do? I told you, wherever you will get stuck in doing minus 4, you will apply its formula, that is minus 5 plus 1. Minus 5 plus 1. Okay, now we'll proceed. 5, done. Now minus 4. Again, no beats for minus 4, so minus 5 plus 1. My answer is 2. What is my answer? 2. 2. Okay. Next question. 2. Added 2 plus 3. Do I have enough beats to do plus 3? No, because I don't have any, enough beats. So how will I do 3? I don't have any number. So formula of 3 plus 5 minus 2. Then minus 4. Do I have enough beats to do minus 4? No. So formula of minus 4 minus 5 plus 1. Then plus 4. No beats to do plus 4. So plus 5 minus 1. That is the formula of 4. Okay. My answer is 5. If you are listening to me carefully, you will notice that wherever we are getting stuck in minus, we are doing minus 5. Wherever we are getting stuck in plus, we are doing plus 5 first. Okay. So that is an easy approach to solve the question. Next question. 3. Added 3. Again 3. Can I see the beats for 3? No. Formula of 3 then. Plus 5 minus 2. No enough beats, so directly apply its formula. Now minus 4. Do I have beats to do minus 4? No. So formula of minus 4 is minus 5 plus 1. Then plus 4. Do I have enough beats to do plus 4? No. So formula of plus 4 plus 5 minus 1. My answer is 6. Next question. 5. Added 5. 1. Added 1. Then minus 4. Do I have enough beats to do minus 4? No. So formula of minus 4 minus 5 plus 1. Then plus 3. Do I have enough beats to do 3? No. So formula of 3 plus 5 minus 2. My answer is 5. Okay. Plus 5 minus 5. All of this, the sign of 5. It all depends on the sign of the number you are stuck on. Okay. And when one sign is like plus, so we know that other sign is minus only. And how do we know that what is the sign of 5? By the number we are stuck on. So we can just copy the sign from the number we are stuck on and put that sign in 5. Now if 5 is plus, the friend will be minus. If the 5 is minus, the friend will be plus. And we know the trick of friends, right? So we'll do by that trick. Next question. 6. Added 6 minus 4. Do I have beats to do minus 4? No. So formula of minus 4 minus 5 plus 1. It's written here. Plus 3. Do I have beats to do plus 3? No. So formula of 3 plus 5 minus 2. Then minus 4. Again, no beats for minus 4. So formula of minus 4 is minus 5 plus 1. My answer is 1. Ma'am, why have you written just the formula of minus 4? We are getting stuck in other numbers as well. It's because we have done the practice of other numbers. In today's class, we are doing the practice of minus 4, which we haven't done before, okay? So, I hope the questions are clear, the concept is clear. I'll see you in the next class now. Till then, complete the arrow and do let me know the answers in the comments, okay? Bye-bye.